Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover. Removal. Important: ensure the battery cable is disconnected from its connector on the system board. Important: make careful note of the routing of the speaker cable for later replacement. Remove the speaker cable from the routing channel on the battery. Disconnect the speaker cable from its connector on the system board. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the speakers to the base enclosure. Carefully remove the speakers from the alignment pins and retention tabs on the base enclosure. Remove the speakers. Replacement. Place the speakers onto the alignment pins and under the retention tabs on the base enclosure. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the speakers to the base enclosure. Connect the speaker cable into its connector on the system board. Route the speaker cable through the routing channel on the battery.